Yo guys, and welcome back to this new stream here on the channel. And on today's stream I will be discussing the Bitcoin market, the whole cryptocurrency market of course, and we're going to talk about our price targets where I will be starting to accumulate my next major swing trade position towards the upside. So yeah, if this sounds interesting for you guys out there, make sure that you're going to smash up these likes on this stream here as well. Make sure that you're going to tune in, stay tuned in here, because we are going to discuss a lot of important things here for, of course, all the holders out there, for all the people that right now think this bull market is over. We have a lot of things to discuss, so let me go right away straight into towards the chart. And I see everyone right now saying here a lot of nice things here in the chat here, and everyone's saying can't wait. I see someone is saying Ethereum back to 2.5k here. I will be right now talking about these things here because yes, let me enable my light as well here. But no, I don't think Ethereum is going to go back towards the 2.5 thousand US dollars. I don't see Bitcoin going back to 20k. No, for sure not, because this is the exact event the whales wanted to be creating here. They want you to sell off your Bitcoin right now here. Yes, I have been selling off my Bitcoin on 51,000 US dollars and my Ethereum on 4,000 US dollars, but right now I'm only buying. If you're going to sell right now, you're definitely on the wrong side. So yeah, we're going to discuss a lot of important things on today's video, guys. I'm going to talk about where Bitcoin is most likely heading towards. I do expect to see Bitcoin decrease ever so slightly, see some consolidation around these ranges, and before we're really going to move up once again here, I do think Bitcoin could be potentially, dip below the 40,000 US dollars to, of course, shake out even more people, because the lower we are going to go here, the more people that are going to exit the market. And that is, of course, exactly what they want. As well, if we're going to look at the open interest, guys, our exact prediction came out here. The open interest, of course, sawing a huge correction. This is, of course, very interesting to see here. We saw the open interest of course, approximately drop off with 30% here. And here, of course, there can be for sure another shakeout like we saw here previously. Let me make this a little bit more thicker. Let me make it red here so you can all see it. So guys, the open interest, very important to pay your attention towards right now here. This is, of course, sorry, the higher the open interest will be here, the more volatility in the market, the more shakedowns or shakeouts we can be getting here. And of course, you saw yesterday we were sitting on a very 1.3 billion US dollars in open interest. Was, of course, 13 billion US dollars in open interest. That was a high amount of open interest. That as well resulted in a huge amount of liquidations. And of course, yesterday we saw an approximately 3.5 billion. Let me quickly look at this here. 3.5 billion, if I say it correctly. Yeah, 3.6 billion US dollars getting wrecked in the market. 3.6 billion US dollars going out of the market because of liquidations. And right now, of course, if we're looking back towards January 2021 here, because I want to be comparing this drop-off here towards a drop-off we saw, of course, in the beginning of 2021 here, because the market structure was exactly the same like it was over there. So right now, still, I will be saying, I as well made the polls already out of the chat here, but everyone's saying good morning as well here. Good morning, everyone, by the way, here. For everyone who's right now tuning in here, make sure to get comfortable, because I will be talking about the swing trade position that I will be starting to accumulate here. I can already tell to you guys, I will be not accumulating it around the levels that we're right now trading on. First of all, I want to be seeing the market settle down ever so slightly, because yes, there's still quite a lot of volatility in the market here, and I will be willing to wait ever so slightly before accumulating this position, because I can already tell to you guys, I think we're going to see another 1 to 3 weeks of sideways accumulation, sideways action for Bitcoin, most likely between this range of the 47,000 and 40k US dollars for Bitcoin. So yes, I do expect a lot of sideways action, because we have to be shaking out these last people that are skeptical, of course, on Bitcoin, because this is literally going to be the last ticket you could be buying for this train, in my opinion. Like I have been, of course, already expecting, and like I have been predicting over here, guys, on this range over here, I've been expecting and anticipating a correction where a lot of people will be exiting the market because they will be calling a bear market, and these people that are right now going to exit the market are going to get wrecked here. And right now, if you lost, I mean, I made a lot of gains on this previous drop off, because I've got, of course, way more Bitcoin and Ethereum because of it, because I sold high. But if you, of course, got wrecked and you have not took some profits on the 52,000 US dollars from Bitcoin or the 4,000 US dollars on Ethereum, and you feel probably very terrible right now, you don't feel very well, you think, okay, my portfolio decreased, I want to be getting worried. But no, I definitely want to be saying you don't want to be getting worried right now here, because if you're going to sell off right here, you're definitely going to miss out the big spike here, because if you can't handle the correction, you don't deserve the pump, in my opinion. So right now, they're going to be, of course, very, very strong weeks here, and you have to be very strong right now here, because firstly, I do think it's going to take us an approximately 21 days here, approximately 3 weeks at maximum of consolidation for Bitcoin, before we're going to see this Bitcoin, of course, absolutely going sky high here. And I will be, of course, accumulate a major position while we are seeing this drop off. So I will be starting to build up a swing position. I already set up some orders, guys. So the 4,000 US dollars is the first order that I will be starting to accumulate at. That's, of course, as well coming together with this green box of support over here on the daily time frame. So I will be basing my accumulation for my swing trade position of the daily time frame. The reason why I'm doing so is because I do think this daily support is going to be very strong. Like you can see over here, we have been not touching this daily level of support over here. This is, of course, the 42.2 thousand US dollars here. I do expect to see this target getting reached here. Maybe not today, maybe tomorrow, or maybe in a few weeks or from now on, because yeah, I do think there will be more bearish momentum right now, since we're right now clearly started a downtrend. And always, if you're in a downtrend, you want to be, of course, expecting a little bit more bearish momentum. Guys, I can definitely say I want to be accumulating a position of 45,000 US dollars, but these positions that I can right now accumulate are probably going to be, everything going all right? Is the stream still working, or are we having some lag here? Excuse me, I think my second screen is right now lagging. So guys, let me know if everything is still working. It should be up and running still right now. So guys, by the way here, if you are just tuned in towards the stream, make sure to smash up the likes right now here. Excuse me so much for the connection error that I just got here. But guys, make sure to smash up the likes in the meantime while you're checking out on the stream here. It's only going to take a few seconds of your time, but you will be supporting the whole cryptocurrency space out there. But guys, what we basically saw here on the 1 hourly candles as well is the Bitcoin price action was decreasing while the RSI was still forming a higher low here. It was glitching, but it's still okay. Okay, guys, excuse me for that. Of course, I'm here sitting in a hotel in Dubai, and the connection is not always the best over here. So I will be trying to, of course, fix this later on here, because yes, I have some other things planned here where my connection will be a little bit better, of course. So yeah, we can be seeing right now on the Bitcoin price section that we are forming several trend reversal signals right now, but I will be still saying to you guys, I will be not trading this here, because I think it is too risky to open trades right now here. There is too much volatility right now towards the upside and towards the downside for me to open a safe position, because my trading strategy out there, guys, is trade with the least amount of risk here. And what I can't do right now here is open a low risk trade. So guys, I will be waiting ever so slightly before accumulating my position. So yeah, I do expect to see the market moving up ever so slightly, maybe back towards the 47,000 US dollars from here on, because we can clearly see right now Bitcoin is forming, like I discussed, higher low on the RSI and higher low as well on the MACD. So we're seeing two different indicators right now telling us that we're about to see a trend reversal, and this indicator is right now telling us that we're seeing the sellers getting loose. They are losing their strength right now here. So the selling pressure is cooling off and the buying strength is picking up once again here. So this is going to be very likely. I do expect to see Bitcoin moving up ever so slightly from now on, but you have to be knowing this is on the 1 hourly candles. And of course, if I give you my prediction on the daily candles and the 4 hourly candles, I will be a little bit more bearish. So yes, the 1 hourly candles could be bouncing ever so slightly right now here. But if I'm going to stay realistic and look at the 4 hourly candles, yes, we are first of all extremely oversold. And look at this correction, of course, as well on the RSI. We saw the RSI drop off from the 74 towards the 29 in just a matter of one candle. So that was pretty crazy, of course. But you can see right now here, on the 4 hourly RSI, we are looking, of course, in a clear downtrend. I'm not seeing a trend reversal signal yet here. So yes, the most amount of my trades that I will be taking here on this channel are going to be based as well on the 4 hourly candles, because yeah, 4 hourly candles are a little bit more safe to trade. So that is the reason why I will be looking at that for sure. So let me as well put my my cable in it, so my computer charts. So yeah, the 4 hourly candles looking to be still in a healthy downtrend. So yes, I will be expecting a minor push up on the 1 hourly candles, but I will be not trading it, because my next trade is going to be a swing trade position. And to accumulate a swing trade position, you only want to be accumulating the lows here. And right now, I definitely think we could be seeing another significant leg down getting created here, since the 4 hourly candles is still clearly in a downtrend, and there will be probably a little bit more selling going around here. And guys, if we are going to, let's say, if the market is going to recover in a very rapid way here towards the upside, I will be, of course, feel guided, but I will be looking at the next opportunity on over there. So yeah, if that's going to happen, I would love it, of course, because my portfolio will be rising again here, but I will be feel very, yeah, not terrible, but I feel like I missed out, of course, on my swing trade position, but that doesn't matter because trading opportunities, there are so many trading opportunities in the market, and I definitely can't wait on the next opportunity. So yeah, I will be, of course, taking only a low risk trade right now here. Of course, yesterday I made an insane amount of profit here, guys. I made an approximately, yeah, it was 0.5 Bitcoin, a little bit more even of a trade I took towards the downside because, yeah, this was, of course, a massive move down here. I wish I was going into the trade with even more here as well. Donation here on the channel right now here, algorithms. I've been holding since $1 and I've been accumulating more. I know it has been up 25% today, and we'll be looking in towards it in a second here. But first, let me go over the Bitcoin price actually, because in the end of the day, it's going to be very important where Bitcoin is going to head towards. So, right now, yeah, we'll be still anticipating a 4-hourly downtrend here, so we could be maybe see as well this level here lower getting filled here. And as well, you have to be knowing these bulls are still willing to buy cheaper, and since there is still a lot of open interest in the market, we could be maybe see another squeeze getting created anytime soon here. So yeah, probably a lot of people are winning and looking for opening a long position right now here around these ranges, but still I'm going to be saying to everyone, be extremely careful right now here. If as you can see right now here, it's approximately more shorters than longer, so that's of course a positive thing here. If there are more shorters, you could be looking for a short squeeze, and a short squeeze is of course bullish. But right now you want to be getting very careful. You want to always not trade with your emotions, and that has been a thing that has been, of course, very profitable for me, and I definitely can't wait to, of course, share my strategy with you guys out there as well here. So guys, for the swing trade position, like I told everyone before, I have right now set up 3 levels that I will be starting to accumulate on here. I will be using a 16x leverage here, and if as lower, the lower we're going to go, so let's say Bitcoin is going back to 38k, I will be accumulating more. So I will be, of course, enter my position, and if we're going to fall, I will be enter more, and on that way, I will be never get liquidated, first of all. On that way, I will be getting a very good average price of my swing trade position, because yes, I am anticipating a new all-time high for Bitcoin getting traded this year. I am for sure anticipating that, and that is the reason why I want to be building up this position right now here. And of course, guys, you could be joining me with this position. If you're right now going to sign up here with the link in the description on BYBIT, you could be joining me with this position anytime soon here. Of course, if I'm going to get my orders filled here, I will be keeping every one of you guys up to date here on my Twitter page as well. My Twitter page is right now linked here in the pinned comment of the description here. So if you want to be checking that out, make sure to go to there. It's at RoverCRC. Very easy name, of course. You could be following us over here. And you could be for sure not miss out on this trade that I'm going to accumulate, because for the ones that are not familiar with the swing trade position, it's basically a position that you're holding for a longer time here, because I will be catching, of course, the next major leg off for Bitcoin. So this is basically a swing, and I will be trying to catch the swing towards the upside, because personally I do anticipate something like this here, some kind of this market structure, just yeah, minor cool off period before once again moving up again. And if my orders will be not getting filled here, and if we're going to move up here, I will be, of course, scalping my way up here once again, because as soon as we're going to take out this previous high here, you only want to be looking for longs, basically, because, yeah, we're probably absolutely going to send it once again towards higher levels. So make sure that you're going to keep your mind straight right now here, and don't lose your attention. Of course, if you want to become a profitable trader, you have to be sticking to your strategy, and at least my strategy here is only trade with low risk setups, and I will be for sure keeping my strategy like that here. So yeah, Bitcoin is bouncing ever so slightly towards the upside on the 1-hourly candles like expected. Definitely for all the people out there, let me know in the chat here, what do you think, where we are we going to see a new all-time high this year? Let me know in the chat real quickly. I want to be seeing what you guys think here. So in 3 months, you believe 100k Bitcoin? Personally, I think in 3 months we will be seeing a new all-time high. At least that's the only thing that I'm saying right now. Is 100k going to be reachable, and is it doable for Bitcoin? For sure. Bitcoin could be moving up very quickly, and that is definitely not out of the books here. So personally, I think it is a little bit too much here. I think January, maybe, we could be sitting around that 100k range here. But yes, I do expect a new all-time high getting created here later this later this year here, at least. So in the coming 3 months, at least, we're going to trade above to $65,000. And this has been my prediction all over, because yes, I have been as well predicting a cool off period before Bitcoin can move up again. And guys, as well, if we're going to compare it to these previous drop-offs that we got over here, it usually takes, and we discussed this yesterday as well on the stream, it usually takes, and everyone is saying yes, long now, guys. Nope, someone is saying 20k. I totally not agree with that. I totally not agree with the 20k range here, guys, because this is exactly what these whales want you to think here. Because literally the drop of this drop off only came because of open interest. So yeah, if you were bullish on Bitcoin on 50k and you're right now bearish, you definitely have a very bad opinion, in my opinion. So that's pretty an opinion conception. So pretty interesting. If you think we're really going to go to 20k, I think you're going to get absolutely wrecked here, and everyone who's right now selling off their Bitcoin will be buying back above the 100k, guys. So if you're looking back as well to these previous drop off pairs, and while we were how long it took to break through the previous local high that we created over there, it took an approximately here 30 days, 90 days, 30 days. So for now on, I will be looking as well at a 30 days period before we're going to break off this above this level. So I do expect the 7th of October to see a higher high getting created here. So it could be a lot of accumulation for Bitcoin. It could be pretty boring and a pretty red few weeks from now on. But for sure, you want to be using this time for accumulation. These are the times that you can be accumulating, and it will be very likely to see Bitcoin visiting the 42k range once again here. And that is the reason why I will be starting to accumulate my swing position over there and not here on the 45.8k. So which exchange are you using then? I am using several exchanges as well. I'm using quite a lot of BYBIT recently, since they have been as well introducing spot trading, and you can be buying a lot of altcoins over there. I'm holding almost all my XRP on my BYBIT account here. So yeah, you could be joining me as well here on BYBIT as well. BYBIT is very nice because it's the best liquidity exchange, not in my opinion, that's a fact. BYBIT has the best liquidity here, so yeah, you will be always getting a very fair price for your coins that you're buying, and you have of course a very nice speed of time if you're going to accumulate something as well. Bitcoin is recovering very strong here, like of course anticipated after such a momentum divergence. Bitcoin will be going much lower. I definitely disagree with that, but of course, guys, I usually don't have the most popular opinion, because I was as well saying to everyone that you want to be, as of course I don't give a financial advisor, but I was saying to everyone I sold approximately 30% of my portfolio while we were trading on $4,000 Ethereum. Everyone was calling me a blind sheep, and right now everyone is saying that we're going to go to 20k. So yeah, definitely I'm usually not having the most popular opinion, but usually the not most popular opinion is the best opinion to have here in the cryptocurrency industry, because Bitcoin is a very emotional asset, and that is exactly what you see right now here. People are selling off because the price are in a downtrend. As soon as we're in an uptrend, people are buying, because yeah, you have to know the game here. I've been here quite a while in the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency industry, and I just know how to wreck the game right now here. It's just a matter of time till you will be, of course, finding it out yourself as well. So make sure that you're going to put the effort in towards it, because it's definitely going to pay you out here. Rover, are you using leverage? Yes, I am using leverage, and you're asking me how much. It really depends here on the trade and risk setup I'm taking here, because if the setup is going to be low risk, I will be of course using a higher leverage. If the setup is high risk, I will be using a lower leverage. So that is of course the thing that I'm doing here. Yes, I'm leverage trading, and yes, there are a lot of people not profitable in leverage trading, but I mean, it's definitely because people trade with their emotions, and people think the market is only going to go up, and they say, oh, you just have to long and you just have to wait and it will become towards your way. But that's not how it works. You have to be trading, at least you have to be making a good trading strategy. You could be literally become profitable with that for sure. So as well, new member on the channel, thank you so much for becoming a member. Kemtam, I'm very bad with pronouncing names, excuse me so much for that. And as well, guys, one thing that I want to be saying, guys, we are literally on P6 right now on the $7.5 million US prize pool competition right now, guys. This is absolutely crazy. You can see it over here, in it to win it here on the, over here on my screen here on the right side of my head. You can see we are P6 right now here, guys. We have one of the smallest teams out here, but we are, of course, absolutely almost getting, we are literally on P6 right now. And this means that 70% of the, 80% of the team will be getting a $48,000 US, of course, divided by everyone, getting rewarded. So that's an approximately calculation real quickly in my head. Yeah, you guys will be, of course, how much per person is approximately $800 US per person will be literally getting because you were in my team. So guys, this is absolutely crazy. We of course still have another 9 days to go from now on, but we will be for sure trying to go for this number one spot, because number one we will be getting an $840,000 US win here. So yeah, guys, we will be crushing this competition, but it once again shows you how strong the Crypto Rover family is out here. So definitely lovely to see here. And guys, as well, if you want to be joining me with these next trades, you definitely want to be signing up right now in the link description. You will be as well getting a $3,000 US deposit bonus. And for the ones that are maybe asking, after such a significant correction, the opportunities are usually way higher, and normal people only want to be trading while the market is going up here, but you could be rather, of course, accumulate a position once the market is reversing, so you could be getting a very good entry price, right? So always once the market is trading in a downtrend here, you want to be looking at long positions, in my opinion. Once the market is in an uptrend, you want to be looking at short positions, because then you can be catching big moves in the market. So let me see, super bullish right now. Yeah, I mean, I'm as well super bullish, but you have to notice right now here, I will be remaining bullish, but we could be for sure maybe see a pullback towards 42,000 US dollars before moving up here. But as well, let me move over into Ethereum for a second, guys. I've been starting to accumulate Ethereum, of course, on 3,200 US dollars and 3,400 US dollars already. This, of course, a definitely lovely chart to see. Of course, we were, of course, anticipating this correction on Ethereum. You're maybe wondering, why were you anticipating this? It was basically that we were seeing, of course, a huge momentum loss on the daily time frame on Ethereum, and a lot of people say these momentum indicators don't help me at all with trading, but that is not true. Then you definitely have to be doing some more research on trading, because yes, momentum trading is, for me at least, the most profitable strategy that there possibly is here. So yeah, we were seeing, of course, a momentum divergence on Ethereum getting played out here. Right now, I will be, of course, looking at some very strong levels of support and resistance. And you can see this orange box has been holding the support very strong right now as well. If you're going to look at Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, guys, on this chart, we have been holding on towards this critical level of support like we were talking about yesterday. Ethereum showing some strength against Bitcoin. I do expect to see Ethereum bouncing back ever so slightly stronger compared to Bitcoin. So make sure that you're going to keep your eyes out on that one. I definitely think Ethereum, of course, usually is weaker in once Bitcoin is correcting, but once Bitcoin is going to recover, it's going to be Ethereum that's going to be a little bit stronger right now, especially because you want to be as well anticipating the next update. And of course, next month, we will be getting a new hard fork update for Ethereum. And what you could be literally do right now here is anticipate the update, because always once there is coming out a new hard fork update for Ethereum, you tend to see these hype run-ups here. So what I will be doing right now here is accumulate way more Ethereum than Bitcoin on this recent drop-off that we're right now getting here, because I do think that the returns are going to be higher for Ethereum compared to Bitcoin right now in the coming 3 months here. So yes, I'm here to make the most amount of gains here. And for me to do so, I will be starting to accumulate more Ethereum than Bitcoin right now here as well. If you're looking at this chart, previous resistance getting formed over here, 3 clear touch points already, of course, yeah, providing resistance right now. This resistance line was getting broken over here on the 2nd of September. And while we were breaking through it over there, we are right now retesting this level of support. So major important level of support getting found here, and I do personally anticipate that Ethereum compared to Bitcoin is going to show us some very strong bounces from here on. So make sure that you're going to anticipate this as well here. I personally do expect to see another touch here of the stop side getting created here, and in percentages, this will be meaning that we're going to see a 7% rise here against Bitcoin, and that is of course quite a huge spike that we will be getting from here on. So yeah, I'm looking forward towards what we're going to get here. Definitely can't wait to see how this is going to end here. For sure, we could be seeing a bigger wick getting created today here, but it's going to be all important to close this daily candle above this level. If we're going to be failing to hold on towards this level, we could be maybe look at the retest of this supportive line here towards the upside. So yeah, there are definitely several possibilities right now available for the price action of Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, but I will be anticipating this as my main scenario to see a bounce from off this level. But if we're going to fall even further, I will be starting to accumulate even more of it, of course. So yeah, I'm looking forward towards it. Someone is as well asking me, can you please check Cardano? I will be going over it in a second. Someone is as well asking me, can you still join your team? Unfortunately, you can't right now, since it is already closed. Yeah, the register period is already closed. I already was warning everyone on my channel about this, since yeah, you only have a certain amount of time to register for this competition, and if you're going to miss out, of course, on that period, you will be not able to join it. So yeah, make sure to follow me here on Twitter, because there will become more competitions in the future as well on this channel. And if you're right now going to, of course, smash up the bell notification on my YouTube channel and on my Twitter page, you will be for sure not missing out of it. So make sure to as well hit the follow button here on my Twitter page, guys, because yeah, we are sharing a lot of important information basically about the market, etc., and about some market sentiment here on Bitcoin. So if you don't want to be missing out on this here, make sure to follow me on Twitter at RoverCRC as well, guys. As well, very important thing that I was yesterday seeing here, USD Tether, the Tether treasury as well minted another $1 billion in Tether. This is pretty crazy, what we were seeing this. And for the ones that don't understand this, this is basically meaning here that they just printed another $1 billion in Tether. So they gave themselves another $1 billion in Tether, and with this Tether, they will be most likely buy back into Bitcoin, because we're seeing such a significant drop off, of course, because they literally printed this while we were dropping off in the market. So yeah, pretty interesting what they are doing here. The only thing that I don't like here in the whole cryptocurrency industry is Tether. They're of course not fully backed by dollars, so that's of course a thing that is getting me worried quite significantly. So make sure that you're going to keep your attention as well on Tether. But let me as well look at the Ethereum compared to US dollar valuation, guys. Crypto Rover, do you still use Coinbase? Yes, I still use Coinbase. For sure, guys, as well. I want to be quickly asking for a favor, because I see there were only 28 likes away before reaching the 300 likes here on the stream. So if you guys can right now smash on that like button here on this stream, it will be truly amazing, since you will be not only helping me out, but the whole cryptocurrency out there, because the more people that are going to smash up the like button, and it's only taking a few seconds of your time, the more viral cryptocurrency content is going here, and the more people will be getting exposed to crypto. So make sure to support the channel and support the whole industry out there by just taking a few seconds of your time to smash that like button up here right now. So let me as well see what the chat is right now saying here. Algo doesn't give an F. Indeed. I will be going over Algorand in a second, because yes, I know Algorand has been absolutely crushing the market in the recent days here. Guys, as well, if we're going to look at an upward sloping support line, we could be maybe see another daily candle close here around the $3,200 for Ethereum. This will be still remaining, and this will be still signifying that Ethereum will be remaining to be in this very strong uptrend. Definitely can't wait to see. Yo, man, the link to BYBIT bonus doesn't work anymore. That's not true, I think, because I yesterday checked that link here. So guys, yeah, let me know if it's true here, because the link in the description should be working. I think I updated it yesterday, but I'm quickly going to check it here on my second screen here for you, my friend. But it should be still up and running, if I say it correctly. Yeah, it's still working, man. Highest link in the description. You can go right now to the link in the description, and you could be signing up right now here. It's definitely going to be worth it, because yeah, we could be making these gains all together. So make sure to go into the link description and sign in with BYBIT right now to of course join us with this next trade that we are going to take here all together. So yeah, looking forward towards it. And guys, the next position I will be accumulating for sure, believe me, I will be showing full transparency once again here on my Twitter page, on my YouTube page. So that is of course a reason to be subscribed to this channel right now here, guys. We have been absolutely crushing it already recently, and right now, even if I'm checking the subscriber count, guys, we are literally, if I go to my YouTube channel, another 4 subscribers away before reaching the 48.1k subscribers. So guys, yeah, we are moving up very, very quickly here. Definitely lovely to see you guys. So make sure as well, if you're new to the channel right now here, to smash up that subscriber button. Only a few, maybe even 3 right now, but I can't see it live right here. But let me see. Yeah, only 4 subscribers right now before reaching the 48.1k subscribers. So make sure to hit up that subscriber button if you want to be not missing out on all these updates here. So as well, Ethereum looks to be still in this uptrend here on the daily candles. If I'm going to move on towards the 4 hourly candles, you can see this level as well providing some very strong support. If we're looking to some momentum indicators, we are clearly still in a downtrend. That's of course as well very likely to expect from seeing this, of course. If I'm going to move further in towards the 1 hourly candles here, and let me go to a different chart. Let me go to this chart over here. Yeah, you can first of all see, let me get a clear chart. We go to the Binance chart indeed. So yeah, you can see on the Binance chart that we are forming a several amount of bullish position on Ethereum right now here. But yeah, you can see right here, we're forming a lower low on the price action. And on the RSI, we're still forming a higher low. So this is of course going to be providing us an bullish divergence on the imminent short term. So this basically signifies that the market is going to be moving up, because the selling strength and selling pressure is right now cooling off here. So that's very important to pay our attention towards as well. We are getting a confirmation here on the MACD. The MACD has been forming a higher low over here, and the price action still a lower low. So yeah, it was a clear bullish divergence that played out over here. A very good opportunity that you had in the market, of course. But still going to say this, don't trade this bullish divergence right now here. I definitely think it's going to be irresponsible to trade. As well, we are forming right now several downtrends right now. If you can clearly, as you can clearly see right now, I think these downtrends are going to be very important for the Ethereum price action over here. I definitely think we are going to see this. It's going to be necessary for Ethereum to break through this downtrend. As soon as we're going to do so, maybe we can be seeing some cool periods and maybe a bounce back towards the upside. Because yeah, it looks to be that there's still a huge amount of sell pressure in the market right now. So yeah, pretty important to pay your attention towards, of course. Bitcoin as well showing a very strong bounce here on the 1 hourly candles, to be honest. as well. Let me see what you guys are saying here. Sorry, the chat was not loading up. I see Dusty as well in the chat here. Whoa, BYBIT sounds so interesting. Thanks, Daddy Rover. Crypto Rover, of course. So yeah, Dusty BC, thank you for tuning in once again here. Absolutely legend, of course. And as well, yeah, we will be never stopping to crush the market over here. So someone is asking me, Crypto Rover, oh, what? That's not true. So let me see. Rover, after signing up, how much do we need to deposit on BYBIT? You can literally go. If you go to the link in the description, you press on that link, you will be seeing exactly how much you need to deposit and whatever. And someone is saying, no, that's not true here, because we have been not longing the market. So it is not my fault we have been seeing this severe correction, because I have been literally saying to all my followers that you want to be going rather short than long. And I've been, of course, absolutely crushing it with this drop off here. And it's definitely not my fault, because a lot of people were, of course, giving me a lot of hate because I was shorting the market, because people always want to be hearing what they want to hear, and that is, of course, not how the market works here. Usually, Bitcoin is, of course, emotional asset, and if you're counter trading the emotional assets, you're going to catch these big moves here. And of course, you were seeing clear divergence. So I was trading short, so I definitely had no influence on this squeeze towards the downside, because this was a long squeeze that we got, and I was not longing the market. So I think Henry got wrecked. I think it is well, man. Guys, a lot of people were going long here. I was telling to already everyone out there on the channel, please be careful with long positions. If you want to be trading, rather look at shorts. So definitely very cool here. And yeah, you're supposed to saying press the like button. Yeah, guys, make sure to smash up that like button, guys. Make sure to smash it. And of course, you know it, the more people that are going to smash up the like button, the more people will be getting exposed to crypto as well here. So yeah, indeed. Yeah, Rover. Yeah, indeed. I'm right now in Dubai. And yeah, Dusty, are you coming as well, man? It would be crazy if you will be coming here as well. It would be amazing, man. So let me see. Let me go over XRP, because I see a lot of it. We'll be going over Cardano as well in a second, guys. Definitely Cardano is right now at accumulation zones here. We'll be going. Wait, let me first start talking about Cardano before going into XRP here, by the way. So the reason why I right now will be saying Cardano is at accumulation zones is because of this daily retest level. So first of all, if you're just going to not even look at the daily previous all-time high, of course, and you're just setting up a Fibonacci here from the swing low towards the swing high, guys, we're seeing something very interesting on this chart, because on this chart, we are right now seeing a retest of the golden pocket entry at the 0.382, aka the $2.30 of Cardano. So golden pocket entry is a very strong entry price to, of course, accumulate coins that are dropping off. So I've already telling to everyone, of course, I sold my Cardanos on the $3, and right now I bought back on $2.30 here. So to give you an indication, this is an approximately, oh, sorry, I'm not seeing it. Why is it not on the screen? I have to take a different chart. Let me see. So to give you an indication, it was, of course, a 23% correction. So basically, I accumulate another extra 23% of amount in Cardano because I sold the sold it over there. Right now, I bought back, of course, $2.30, and together with this golden pocket entry, what is, of course, already very strong. You can see over here, if I'm putting up a daily level of horizontal support, you can see the previous all-time high of the previous highest daily candle close here on Cardano was as well at $2.30 here. So yeah, extreme level of support here, and that's the reason why I started to accumulate my Cardano once again at $2.30 here, because I do think it's a very strong, good average price to accumulate Cardano on. So let me see. Nice trade, Rover. Thank you so much. I am Starbucks. Starbuck. Thank you so much, man. Cardano's mainnet failed. No, man. I mean, I was already telling it to everyone here. With these things around Cardano, there's a lot of hype runner coming in towards the market. Then you're seeing a stall of getting created here. Typical market structure, because you always want to be selling the news, buying the rumor. And this is exactly the same thing what happened. And everyone once again was giving me a lot of hate here on YouTube, because they thought, Rover, oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're going to counter trade the trend. But that is the best trade to do. So you were already seeing a huge amount of momentum loss here on the RSI. You were seeing the momentum going down massively. We were losing such a huge amount of strength here on the Cardano price action. As well on the MACD, we were losing momentum. It was likely to cool off. There is no chart that's going to go up in a straight line. And I still feel bullish on the Cardano. But yes, on the $3, it was just not looking great. And that is the reason why I was saying that to everyone. So, Rover, will you be swinging Ethereum too? Ibrahim, I will be for sure trying to do so, but first I will be focusing myself on building up a swing position on Bitcoin. And if I think, okay, Bitcoin right now bottomed out here, I will be looking at Ethereum, because in the end of the day, Ethereum is going to bottom out once, of course, Bitcoin is bottom out, of course. So let me see. Where is the stop loss on those orders? On these orders, I mean, I'm using not a stop loss yet here. I will be monitoring my trades first of all, but basically how my stop loss is managed here is by adding more positions adding more quantity to my positions every single time here. So I still have to be transferring some extra bitcoins to my BYBIT. So we'll be even setting up more orders. I will be filling my orders all the way back towards 35,000 US dollars. Even though I don't think we're going to reach that level, I will be trying to, of course, if the market is going to move even further down, I will be trying to push my entry price every single time down here, so I could be accumulating a bigger and bigger position. So make sure that you're going to check it out here. And guys, I will be keeping you guys all up to date on this channel. So if you're going to smash up the like button right now, subscribe button right now here, and ring the bell notification especially, you are not going to miss out on the swing trade position that we're going to take altogether. As well, for all the people that don't know yet here, as soon, of course, as I'm accumulating such a position, I most likely can't, of course, always keep you guys up to date on YouTube, but I can do it here on Twitter. So make sure as well to hit that follow button here on Twitter at RoverCRC here. So is Bitcoin 44K possible? For sure, guys. I do think there's going to be a lot of selling pressure here in the remaining days here, as well to fill the liquidity that we dropped off over here. Yeah, I do think there can be some more selling pressure, but as well there will be huge amount of buying and going around in the background here. So let me as well talk a little bit about Quant, and let me look at some on-chain data things here, what we have been discussing. So a very important thing that I was of course seeing here is of course the exchange balance of the available exchange balance here of Bitcoin. So what is pretty interesting here is that I don't think as you can see it in the screen right now here, so that's pretty unfortunate. I think you can see it if I do it like this. Let me quickly check this. Yes, I think, yeah, you can see it right now here. So, yeah, basically what you're seeing in the screen here is that Bitcoin still, while we were even dropping off here, the exchanges are having less Bitcoin in reserve. Guys, my internet is... Excuse me so much for my internet. I think it's up and running once again here. Excuse me so much. My internet is just falling away here in this hotel. So, sometimes not very nice here. So... excuse me so much for the internet, guys. I will be going over BNB as well in a second. Should be up and running still, guys. Do you still hear me? Yeah, everyone's saying lag in the chat. But it's working once again. It's working once again. Excuse me so much, but what we were saying basically is that the Bitcoin held on exchanges, the reserves on exchanges still was not increasing. So there is not a lot of retail selling going around over here. And there's still accumulation of big parties going around over here. So it's definitely not a bad thing to see here. It's all good right now. That's very nice to hear, guys. But definitely a thing that you should be paying your attention towards right now. So, as well, a thing that is making me feel bullish here is that the greed is once again, the fear is once again kicking in towards the market. You can as well see it here on YouTube. You see already some people right now saying 20k Bitcoin is going to be inevitable. 20k Bitcoin is going to get reached here. Well, we were literally yesterday, we saw no one saying that. Only, of course, we on the channel, and of course the people that were following me. They were, of course, agreeing with my opinion that we were going to see correction, not 20k, of course. So let me as well look at this chart and let me see if I can get the data that I want to be looking at. Let me see. The fear index. I want to be having the fear index real quickly. Looking at this chart real quickly. Look at the data. Of course, as well, Bitcoin returns, guys. We already talked about it yesterday. We'll be going to search up the Bitcoin fear in a second. You know, September is, generally speaking, a very bearish month here, but October is going to be a very bullish month here. So make sure that you're going to be prepared for the next one. Someone is asking me, is Quant free to use? No. Yeah, it is free to use, but if you want to be having the real-time data like I have, you have to be have a paid position. I think it is approximately $1,000 a year, and if you're using my ref link in the description, you will be getting a $200 sale. So yeah, you could be checking out on that one. But for sure, guys, you don't necessarily have to be buying it because I will be keeping you guys up to date here on my channel about all the important development. But yeah, it's nice and it's important to look at on-chain data because literally on-chain data was telling me that we were getting this correction, of course, like we have been talking about earlier today, of the open interest, of course. So yeah, October is going to be generally a very bullish month, so make sure that you're going to, of course, pay your attention towards that. It's going to be very likely to see a very nice move towards the upside, getting trades from there on. And I don't think I can search up for the fear index in the chart here. But yeah, basically right now sitting 47 on the fear index. Guys, we're seeing a very significant decrease in fear. The lower, I mean, in January, we were seeing the same amount of fear getting kicked in here in the market. And of course, we all know that January bounced back very quickly. So make sure that you're going to pay your attention towards it. So Bitcoin is definitely at a discount right now here. And of course, if you're going to go towards a shop and you're seeing seeing something, you want to be buying it, and a week later you're seeing a massive discount on it, you're definitely going to buy it, right? So yeah, Bitcoin is on a discount right now here, and you can for sure accumulate it right now here. So if Bitcoin, someone is spamming right in the chat, please don't spam in the chat here, but you were asking me, is Bitcoin 44K possible? Is most likely going to be inevitable that we're still going to see that, in my opinion. So yeah, definitely could be still playing out here, guys. As well, we reached the 41.1k subscribers, so thank you so much for hitting up the subscribe button once again here, guys. Truly highly appreciate it. You guys are smashing it up. Make sure to as well subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Will be truly amazing. So Bitcoin, of course, opened a new 1 hourly candle as well, and let's see how this is going to end, of course. Anything is possible, indeed. But I mean, anything is possible, but I think lower than the 38k is definitely not going to happen. Yes, I do think there can be a situation, and I explained it as well in previous videos where I was anticipating this drop-off as well, that there's going to be most likely be a possibility that we're going to see Bitcoin as well dip below the 40k, because that will be signifying, that will be, of course, triggering massive sell orders. So yeah, looking forward towards it. I bought Bitcoin on 50k. Should I hold? I mean, I'm not a financial advisor, but if I bought Bitcoin on 50k, I should just hold, because it's just going to be a matter of time till you're going to be in a profit once again here. It's going to be a matter of crazy times. And what you could be doing right now here is pull down your average buying price by accumulating this drop-off. So you could be getting an average entry price of $47,000 or even lower. Of course, you as well have to have the money aside here, but definitely worth to accumulate your Bitcoin right now. It's definitely no doubt about that one here. So make sure that you're going to pay your attention towards it right now. So it's 58k, indeed, 58.1k. Yeah, 58.1k, guys. We're crazy moving up here on this channel. So make sure that you're becoming a member as well here. It's definitely worth to be right on the channel. It's completely for free, of course. So XRP, please. Everyone's talking about XRP. Let me go over XRP for a second here. So of course I will be giving a wider view here. So I've been as well telling to you guys out there, if XRP is going to see the $1.06 getting reached here, I will be buying. And we are right now trading on $1.06 here, and I have been starting to accumulate XRP once again. And I've been as well saying to all my viewers out there, XRP is a coin that you're going to hold for the long run. XRP is not a short-term hold. XRP is a long-term hold. XRP is a hold that is a coin that you want to be having in your portfolio. And right now is the time to accumulate. It's not time to accumulate once you're pushing up here. And I was already warning you guys about it. Bitcoin is going to most likely correct. It's going to be resulting in XRP moving back towards the $1.06 here. And the $1.06 is basically this orange box range here. And this, of course, this is a chart that is not even looking so interesting, because it's a very simple chart for XRP. This orange box is accumulation. Orange box is accumulation zone. I do expect to see XRP most likely be very boring for the coming days here, and I would love to see something like this here, but this is of course way too much time here. I don't think we have the same amount of time. I do think that XRP could be moving up again, maybe correcting once again, moving up, and then we could be starting to move up again. But I mean, personally, I do expect to see XRP holding on towards this line. But if Bitcoin is going to fail to hold the 45k here, and if Bitcoin is going to go and visit the 42k once again, and we'll be likely to see XRP maybe dipping below the 90 cents for a moment before once again average to slightly move up after that. So we're looking forward towards that. Any altcoin right now trading, I should definitely not trade Solana. I think Solana is too risky to trade right now. Solana, I will be going over it as well in a second. It's still trading on $160. But yeah, XRP is of course losing some strength right now on the momentum indicators. We're not seeing any divergence right now playing out, because there's nothing confirmed yet on the daily candles. If I'm going to move towards the 4 hourly candles on XRP, guys, let me see. Crypto Rover, is XRP $1.06 good for a swing trade? No, man. I mean, for all the people that want to be swing trading right now, I should only look at Bitcoin, to be honest. I mean, to be very honest, from a risk management standpoint, I should be only looking to trade Bitcoin right here. Definitely not looking to trade other coins, in my opinion. I definitely think the risk is too high to trade other coins right now, because as soon as Bitcoin is going to correct ever so slightly, XRP is not going to hold on towards this line here. So yeah, I'm a huge bull in XRP, but I'm as well a realistic bull. It's definitely too risky right now. To be honest, if I'm going to zoom in here, and if I'm going to use the RSI to look at a divergence strategy, to look at the momentum divergence, so you can clearly see this right now here. you can see over here XRP forming a lower low here on the price section, and we are still forming a clear higher low here on the RSI. So yeah, XRP forming a bullish divergence right now on the 4-hourly candle. This bullish divergence could be solidifying right now in a very strong bounce back towards the upside, but we could be as well maybe potentially, of course, see another leg down getting created here if Bitcoin is not going to move up from here on. So it's going to come all down in the end of the day to Bitcoin. It's going to come all down to Bitcoin. And I should at least remain extremely careful with trading altcoins right now here. Yes, you could be making some very, very massive gains with trading altcoins because the volatility is pretty high. That is true. I have to give that one to you guys. But is it going to be smart to trade altcoins in terms of your risk management? And for all the people that are new to trading, risk management is the most important thing that you have to be doing here while trading. And as long as you're not sticking to your risk management strategy here, you're absolutely going to go to wreck city here, and you're not going to become extremely profitable. So make sure that you're going to keep yourself on your strategy. Make sure that you're not going to get wrecked here, because it's going to be very important to stick to a strategy that you're going to make for yourself right now here. So XRP is going to be very important. For me right now, altcoins are definitely not going to trade here. It looks to be a bullish divergence. This bullish divergence is signifying a move towards the upside. But yeah, once again, if Bitcoin is not going to do so, it's going to be XRP that's going to get ignored over here. So please remain a little bit more calm, because as soon, guys, you know it from me, as soon as I see Bitcoin is getting bottomed out here, guys, and I will be for sure talking about it. So as soon as I see Bitcoin, okay, right now it looks to be that we're getting pretty much bottomed out. We're getting close for a bottom for the month of September. I will be saying, okay, right now I will be starting to as well accumulate search positions on altcoins, because I could be making even bigger gains. And for sure I will be looking at XRP. For sure I will be looking at Cardano and different coins there. But guys, it's not the time right now here. I don't think it's the right time right now. And I'm sorry to say this, because, yeah, you guys really want me to say the altcoins are absolutely going to blow up here. Most likely they will. But right now you just have to be looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to be the most important thing to look at right now here. So, yeah, we'll be remain a little bit more calm here as well. We need to see the market settle down ever so slightly. Right now, I definitely don't see the market getting settled down here. There's a lot of buying and selling volume right now still getting placed here, so it's definitely going to be very important. Are you still waiting for Bitcoin 44k? I definitely think, like I told everyone before, we could be even see Bitcoin visit the 42.4k in my opinion. So yes, I will be remaining calm. Of course, I'm already bought back most of my holding positions. So I don't have a lot of Tether aside right now here. So my strategy right now is just hold with my portfolio, of course. And for my swing trade position, I will be taking the least amount of risk. So I will be waiting for an accumulation around the 42,000 US dollars here. And I will be, of course, accumulating at way more levels below that. And tomorrow, later today, I will be keeping you guys up to date once again on my Twitter page, because I will be adding more levels that I will be, of course, accumulating Bitcoin at as well, because I'm sending some more extra Bitcoins to my account here on BYBIT to, of course, trade even with a bigger position. Because I told everyone before, I'm probably going to build up where it's probably 1 million US dollar position. I'm looking forward towards doing that, because I've never done that before, and I definitely think right now is the opportunity for me to make massive gains here, because yes, I am anticipating a new high in the coming 3 months right now here. So yeah, of course, if you're going to look at Bitcoin in terms of percentages, if I'm going to catch up this position around to 42,000 US dollars, and we're going to form a new altcoin, this is going to be a 52% move here. That means, of course, I'm using a 16x leverage here. If you're using that, you're going to make an approximately gain of 760% here, and with a million US dollars straight here. Of course, in quantity, I don't know exactly how much gain it will be, but at least it's going to be a very, very solid amount of gains here. Maybe 700,000 US dollars or whatsoever, at least near that amount of money. So it's going to be very interesting what we're going to do. And guys, you could be literally do the exact same like me here, because I'm going to be completely transparent with accumulating this position. And the most important part right now here, guys, in trading is 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 I have these issues. Excuse me. Excuse me so much. Excuse me so much. I have a very, very, very... This is very frustrating for me. I don't know why this happens, but it just tends to happen on my my setup. I don't know why. Don't ask me how it happens. Does you mate? Pretty. I don't know how to fix it. Because I searched for a lot of it, how to solve this issue. It doesn't solve. It just happens now. Let's say once hours or so. Once every 3 hours these happen. I don't know how to fix it. So he is trading. He's trade. Oh wait, I don't know what was I saying. I don't know what I was saying basically, to be honest, guys. So probably you heard a word and I'm over. I know it's very annoying. So sounds good right now. Okay. Sound loop. Yeah, it was a sound loop. I know. We are hearing you guys. I know you have to wait. I see the chat right now. It's approximately late, so I know everything is working right now. Once because I see it here, that's on my screen. So yeah, excuse me for the excuse me. Where was I talking about? I was talking about the position. Yeah, we will be building up a huge position, and yeah, I definitely can't wait to see. The most lovely part about it here is that we're going to do it once again. Do this once all together. Of course, if you want to be joining me, it's definitely up to you here. If you don't like training, you could be just watching how we are going to do it. But yeah, it's going to be once again. I like to do it, and it's going to be a huge position. But I'm very certain of. I'm very dedicated on this. I've been having a vision in eyes, and I definitely can't wait to see how we will be catching this. Yeah, we'll be trading this. Can right now still sign up here. And guys, the funny part about this here right now here is that we will be accumulating this position, and probably a lot of you guys will be joining. And as soon as we're in a huge profit, of course, say, should I enter long? Should I enter long? But I'm saying by then, no, I said you before we're going to enter over here. So yeah, you could be, of course, right now still front market and still be early to catch the bottom. And if you want to be do this with me, make sure to sign up right now. Link, highest link in the description. Definitely going to be. So you're cutting out. Again, your voice is breaking. Make your mic more sensible. Oh, guys, excuse me. Hello, guys. Excuse me so much. It's so many technical difficulties. It should be working right now. Once again, guys, let me know if everything is working. I think you should be working. YouTube doesn't want to hear the truth. I mean, guys, what the cronks? I don't know exactly what this is. This is pretty weird. Okay, Ethereum XRP in the meantime bouncing very back strong here. Bouncing very strong back here towards the upside of this bullish divergence as well. Bitcoin as well bouncing back here. Guys, can't hear you guys. There's probably a little bit of delay, but it should be working right now, right? Your mic got hacked. Can you put your sound a little bit higher? Of course, I just did. Guys, it's so frustrating that the chat is a little bit behind. Turn up the mic. Please, guys. Let me know if everything is still working. Everything, let me know. Please let me know in the chat. It should be working. I mean, the settings are exactly like I did before. That's better. Okay, everyone's saying good now. Everyone's saying good now. Working. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for letting me know right in the chat, because it's very frustrating for me if it is not working. Okay. It is working. Okay, probably chat is right now going to say the whole time it is working, but it's a little bit of a delay, so that's the reason why I was saying this so late. So way better right now. That's very nice to know. Yes, guys, we're back, of course. So yeah, Bitcoin bouncing back, like we have been talking about earlier in the stream. We have been seeing this this bullish divergence getting played out here. Bullish divergence, of course, very strong way to accumulate positions here. But what it basically was talking about, that you could still join us with these trades that we are going to take here. You could be, of course, right now, still sign up here. You could be already set up your account. I think you must put the mic better in your... I mean, that's crazy. I mean, it's a very good... The point here was very frustrating for me. I bought literally a very expensive microphone because I thought, this is going to be a good one. But then still, it is not working very well. So, yeah, I thought I'd invest a little bit more in my setup here. But right now I don't really know what I can improve on my setup. Let me know what you can do, because this is my on-the-road setup. I still have a place at home where I have a setup, and as well I'm going to move approximately in 6 months from now on. I'm looking right now to buy a house in Spain, and I will be building up my my setup over there as well. So yeah, it's going to be pretty interesting. There's going to be a lot of things that are going to come to our way as well. I will be starting to do a podcast in the future, but yeah, that's all things for the future, of course, guys. Right now we will be just focusing ourselves, of course, on trading, and let me still know if something will be happening with the microphone here. So let me see. It's perfect. It's a sensibility issue. Yeah, I think what happened is once I was trying to reconnect the microphone, guys, I put, of course, the gain a little bit lower, and because the gain was lower, it was not picking up my voice every single time here. So yeah, it should be working right now. It should be working. Entry price for Ethereum, guys. I will be still saying I will be basing my entry price on Ethereum for Bitcoin. If I'm going to look at Bitcoin, we could be getting another 8% correction, what means that Ethereum could be dropping off another 10% approximately. If I'm going to look for a 10% correction from Ethereum from here on, it's going to mean that Ethereum is going to dip towards the $3,000 once again. So, yeah, I do think Ethereum is going to show us a little bit more strength compared to Bitcoin right now here, because, yeah, right now we're against playing once again. We even closed our daily candle over here. This is pretty crazy where we close our daily candle. So, guys, what you can see over here, let me remove this drawing over here for Ethereum, and let me talk a little bit about the Ethereum daily close that we got today, yesterday, I mean. So you can see over here, if we're zooming in here on the left side, excuse me, you can see clear, very strong resistance was getting found over there. Very strong support afterwards and resistance. And if you're going to look then to today's candles, of course, you can see, first of all, resistance. And after that, support over here. We were getting find some support. So, yeah, Ethereum could be for sure creating a bigger wick on today's candle and still close this, daily candle above this level. I would love to see Ethereum closing this daily candle above this level, because this will be meaning that Ethereum is holding on towards the support, and that's definitely, of course, lovely to see here, because if you can see Ethereum holding this line here already to $3,400, it's going to be meaning that Ethereum is going to be pretty strong here compared to Bitcoin, at least here. But personally, my accumulation for Ethereum is just this box over here, and if we're going to fall even further, I will be, of course, starting to accumulate in more Ethereum, of course, and but my main accumulation zone is going to be around the $3,000 towards the $3,600. So yes, for the remaining of this 3 months here, I will be dollar cost average every single day in towards the market. I will be, of course, do some things here, because I still have a lot of silver as well. I have some different portfolio strategies that I use, and always once we're seeing these shakeouts, I'm using these different portfolios to buy back into Bitcoin. And of course, as soon as Bitcoin is going to increase towards new all-time highs, just like we saw here on the $51,000, we're going to increase once again here. You have to, of course, reevaluate your portfolio. At least for myself, it's going to be my investment portfolio, and of course, I as well invest a little bit back into gold, into silver, to of course have money aside to buy these dips, of course. So yeah, it's going to be very important to do so. And yeah, you can see with Ethereum, I will be using this money, of course, to buy most likely a lot of Ethereum rather than a lot of Bitcoin right now here, because I'm anticipating that Ethereum is going to be way better performing here near the end of this cycle. So definitely can't wait, of course, what the Ethereum is going to do here. So $3,000, definitely my lowest point that I should be seeing Ethereum going towards. So let me see. Yeah, I got wrecked yesterday. I mean, if you got wrecked yesterday, of course, the good thing right now here is that you can be recognizing it, and that you, of course, admit you got wrecked here, so you can be crushing the market the next time. And of course, if you get wrecked here, because I've been getting wrecked quite a lot here in 2017, and I learned a lot of things from it, and you have to use the information and knowledge that you gained from getting wrecked here to, of course, crush the market on the next time here. So that's, of course, going to be very important for you to do so right now here. So make sure that you're going to use this knowledge to not get wrecked the next time. Bro, hodl and die, never sell. I mean, yeah, for sure, that's going to be the best strategy for long term. Let me see. There's going to definitely be a lot of bears right now still in the market, but of course, in the end of the day, there's going to become more and more holders along the way, and that's the reason why Bitcoin is going to be successful and inevitable. It's going to be reaching 100K, and the question is when, because the pullbacks, of course, purely because of open interest curve is coming. Do you have any trading courses? No, I'm not doing it, but I will be trying to do it in the future, especially if we're going to see some kind of a bear market getting created here. I will be loving to do some courses, and of course, I will be for sure trying to do it just completely for free, because I want to be giving some things back to you guys, for sure. Let me see. Everyone got wrecked. Not everyone. At least I didn't got wrecked here, because I sold a lot of my portfolio on the top side, and I traded short. So yeah, of course, I know. I mean, yesterday as well on the stream, I was very happy, because I was not getting wrecked here, but I know a lot of you guys were getting wrecked. Don't love to see it, because a lot of you guys just found out of this channel as well here. But if you don't know, and if you're not familiar with the channel yet here, we have been anticipating this drop-off already for the past, let's say 10 days or so. Of course, it was not the most popular opinion here on the market. A lot of people were disagreeing with me, but right now, everyone, of course, finally admits that, we were right. So that's a very nice thing to know and to see here in the markets, to be as well. Of course, crushing it. So yeah, definitely looking forward towards the next opportunities. 2,900 is a good Ethereum long entry for sure. If we're really going to touch the $2,900, is going to be a very strong entry price here. But the question is going to be right now here if we're going to reach that level. And for sure, you have to know everyone wants to be catching the exact bottom here. So to, of course, identify the bottom, we have to be waiting for the market to settle down here. In my opinion, I can't exactly say to you right now, okay, Ethereum is going to bottom out on this level, Bitcoin this level. No. We have to be giving the market some time to, of course, settle down here. Bitcoin has to settle down as well, and then we could be looking for the next opportunity here. So please give it some time here before we could be really giving you a very good target to accumulate on. Of course, I have some levels set up here that I would love to, of course, accumulate huge amounts of Bitcoins at, but these levels are, of course, not getting reached yet here. And for these levels to be reached here, of course, we have to be as well be a little bit patient. So yeah. Looking forward towards financial advice, please. No, I can't. I can't. So where now for Bitcoin, guys? I mean, I've been already giving it in the beginning of the stream here. Where I see Bitcoin heading towards here are these ranges here between the 42. First of all, 42.4k is a strong level of support. We have been not touching this level yet here, and there are a huge amount of orders waiting still to get filled here. A lot of my prediction right now here is that basically Bitcoin is going to see some sideways action here. Probably a lot of volatility as well here. I do think we could be at least seeing the coming 4 days extreme amounts of volatility, and the weekend is going to be as well very interesting because there's going to be a lot of manipulation once again going around on the weekends. But yeah, I still expect Bitcoin could be correcting even further before moving up again. But in terms of holding positions, should you be accumulating right now? Yes, in my opinion, yes. That's a big yes that you will be get from me here. So make sure that you're going to prepare for it. I have been already doing my prediction. It's going to be maximum 30 days that we're going to go sideways or go slightly towards the downside before we're crushing through a new high. Once again, new local high will be getting set here. It's just going to be a matter of time till we're going to reach it. So make sure that you're going to be patient. Because, yeah, if you're looking back to these previous times over here, it as well took us approximately 30 days here. So give it some time here. I know 30 days, it sounds very long, but yeah, before you know it, we're once again over there. And yeah, we are going to, of course, benefit from the lower prices because in the end of the day, because I do expect that we will be most likely bounced back very strong. We will be bouncing back very strong. And I've been as well doing a prediction, guys, that the next leg is going to be way more exponential than we saw over here. Of course, this the beginning of the leg was pretty exponential, but I do expect this next leg to be very exponential. And I do even expect that we're going to be maybe find only one day a resistance and then, of course, already break through the all-time high. Please, you have to be anticipating this. The next leg is going to be the institutional leg here. The next leg is going to be extremely exciting because the next leg is going to be the leg towards probably the $80,000. So it's going to be very exponential. I definitely can't wait for it. And if you're looking to this leg over here, this was an approximately gain of 100%. And if we're going to look for a 100% gain from here on, of course, it means that we're going to go to, let me see, 100, is as well 80k here. If we're going to look at the same amount of gain here in terms of percentages, we're going to look at an 85k Bitcoin near the end of this year. So yeah, make sure that you're going to be prepared for this. I'm personally, maybe you call me crazy right now, but everyone calls me crazy if I give these predictions. I anticipate this leg towards the upside getting trade here, and it's going to be in a very rapid pace most likely as well. So I do expect exponential price targets, and you maybe think I'm crazy once again here. Everyone called me as well crazy that I was expecting this leg towards the downside, but it is going to be extremely likely that we're going to see something like this playing out here. Make sure that you're at least going to be prepared for it at least. That's the only thing that I can say right now. And people, I mean, I've never been more I've been bullish on 30k. I mean, right now, I'm still extremely bullish. You will be not see me even more bullish than this here. These are the opportunities that you have to be benefiting from right now. And for all the people wondering where is the rover that's trading on the 1 hour and 4 hourly time frame, guys, I will be once again scalp trading as well because on my channel, I don't know if you already know it, I'm doing all these trades all together with you guys, the family out there. I'm trading on the 1 hour, 4 hour, and right now as well, I will be trading, of course, on the 1 hour and 4 hour, and I will be building up a swing trade position. So if you're looking forward towards trading, you're definitely on the right channel because, yeah, we have been absolutely crushing it. I mean, I as well told everyone that I was going to stop trading while Bitcoin was only going up because it was too risky for, yeah, such a shakeout that we were seeing. Yeah, right now, of course, we will be looking at new opportunities here. Of course, we were approximately 8 out of 10 profitable here. We will have a very good, very good profitable yeah, of course, trading community here as well. You can see here on BYBIT. And of course, guys, we are of course trading on BYBIT, and if you're willing to join us, you could be already signed up here in the link description because there are going to be huge opportunities, and you could be already setting up your account for that for sure. So yeah, looking forward towards the guys as well. Hit the follow button here, and someone is saying right now to me Moonboy in the chat, and it's pretty funny. It's pretty funny because I'm literally not the moon. I'm not totally not a moon boy, because the funny part about it here is that you can see, of course, all my videos are still live here on YouTube. You can go back to all the videos. I was extremely bullish over here, because we were seeing huge amounts of bullish divergence getting created here. I was bullish on 28k here. I longed Ethereum on $1,700 towards the $2,100. Then I got out of it. Of course, I could have ride it literally to $4,000, but I was not aware of it, of course, because I was not anticipating such a huge rally. That everyone called me a boom boy as well to be bullish over here. I was of course completely right, and I will be not shilling this whole stream here. Then I of course anticipated in the last let's say 10 days over here. I've been anticipating a pullback for Bitcoin to $42,000. I exactly predicted that. Everyone called me a blind bear. Everyone called me crazy. It played out, and right now everyone is calling me a moon boy again. So I love to see this, because this is only giving me more confirmations that I'm going to be exactly right once again. Because people, yeah, the most unpopular opinion is usually going to be the best opinion. So definitely looking forward towards it. I also trade 1 and 4 hour. That's nice, man. End of the year price prediction for Ethereum, $6,000 to $8,000 near the end of the year. Rover, we're creating a massive falling wedge here. Let me see real quickly on the 1 hourly candles. Which time frame you're talking about? Yeah, please call me a moon boy. Massive falling wedge. Which time frame are you talking about? Because on the 1 hourly candles, no, I don't really see necessarily a falling wedge. Yeah, if we're going to get a rejection, we could be getting one. And guys, if we're going to create such a falling wedge over here, if we're going to see a rejection on Bitcoin, I will be for sure opening trade position. But yeah, if you want to be joining me with the next trade that I'm going to take here, make sure to follow me here on Twitter. At RoverCRC, you can follow me over here right now. Of course, right now I don't see a good trading opportunity, so that's the reason why I'm not in the trade right now here. And I will be for sure not say this is a falling wedge, because I definitely don't think it's a very valid one. If you're maybe talking about the 4 hourly candles, no, I don't really see a falling wedge at all. Maybe on 30 minutes, yeah, you can be seeing one, but I don't trade 30-minute time frames because they're too risky to trade here. Bear flag, 4 hourly candles. No, this is not a bear flag, because a bear flag is a flag is towards the upside. If you're in a downtrend and you're creating such a trend like this is a bear flag. So you create a leg down here, then you're seeing a bear flag getting created, and you're seeing another leg down. Bullish consolidation in downtrend, to be honest. So yeah, I mean, I'm not saying that we're necessarily going to see a leg towards the upside getting created here. Yesterday as well, I did a prediction, and let me see if my chart will be loading up, because sometimes it just doesn't want to be loading up at all here. So I've been yesterday as well doing a prediction here. I do expect to see Bitcoin to create at least something like a W recovery here. It could be maybe create something like this wick from here on, and it could be taking even longer here. Maybe we're going to create something like this here, and then we recover back towards the upside. But at least I do think there's going to be more downwards pressure here for the coming days here, because a lot of people will be still selling off their Bitcoin, and that's exactly what we need, right? Because the retailers have to get out of the market right now here, so we could be buying more. So of course we are as well retailers, but the weak hands have to be going out of the market, so we could be buying more. So yeah, make sure that you're on the right side, make sure that you're not on the wrong side, because it's going to be get rich here. You're going to get wrecked here. What is leverage? Leverage is basically you're borrowing money from the exchange to make more gains from it, because you're anticipating a price is going to go up or down, and you're going to open a trade of that. You could be opening short or long. Long is towards the upside, short is down. And soon here on the channel, I will be dropping as well an explanation video how you have to be trading. I see it right here. But it's definitely, of course, trading is high risk. I should definitely not advise trading for beginners. If you're a beginner in the market, I should just recommend, of course, just holding. And while you're holding, you could be doing research on trading as well, because yes, trading could be extremely profitable, but as well, a lot of people could be losing money with it if you don't know what you're doing, because a lot of people don't know what they're doing. They make a very good game one day and they think they're invincible, and then they are getting wrecked here. So please be careful with trading. Only trade with, if you want to be trading, you first have to be making yourself a rule set. And if you can keep your mouth to your rule set, and if you're always going to keep your rules, and you're always going to trade these rules, you're going to be profitable. That's as simple as it is. But it sounds very simple, but a lot of people get wrecked because they can't stick to their rules. That's just a fact. And you're maybe going to deny it or not, but that's a fact. For how long have you been trading? I've been actively, profitable trading for over 2 years right now. But in 2018, 2017, I started trading. I got wrecked quite a lot. I was feeling very, got it about it. I was not feeling, it was a little bit, it could be, if you're not good at trading and you're losing money with it, you really hate it. And I know it. But then, of course, I was trying to make money, and I started trading, and I made some rules to it. I of course read a lot of books here, and they always, in every single book, they're saying if you're going to be trading, you have to make a rule set for yourself, and if the strategy is working, you always have to stick to the strategy. And if you're not doing so, you will be getting wrecked here. And that is, of course, a thing that I learned here. Keep your you have to stick to the rules, and if you're going to stick to the rules while trading, you're definitely going to be profitable. And once I'm saying rules here, I'm talking about, okay, you're going to say to yourself, okay, I will be also always using this stop loss. Okay, I will be always only trade on momentum divergence, because momentum divergence is my trading strategy, because it's an extreme strong strategy. Because momentum divergence trading is basically that you're always going to catch an trend reversal. And if you're going to catch a trend reversal, you're usually going to catch very big moves towards either the upside or towards the downside. And once again, going to say it, trend reversals are usually not the most popular opinion here on YouTube as well, because a lot of people are saying a lot of people are always trading with the trend, and that is of course a thing that I see here in the space, because I see this on YouTube. I'm doing this as well as on hobby, etc. I see a lot of people I'm saying I'm going to go short here. A lot of people are going to say, no, we're going to go up, you have to be trading with the trend. But no, I'm trading on the trend reversal, because I want to be catching the big trend reversal, and I always want to be catching the top or the bottom, right? And of course it's very hard to catch the exact top, but you could be approximately nil it with these strategies that I'm using here. So people are asking me right now, where did you learn to trade? Basically, I started with watching YouTube technical analysis. Then I learned the basic things, basically. Then I started reading books. And for all the people out there, I will be quickly going to my Instagram page here. For all the people out there, I'm right now as well giving a book away that I was very, what I read several times here. And in that book, of course, I was, as well, I show here my literally gains that I made here on BYBIT. I see my closest. I made literally a 0.5 BTC yesterday with a short call. This was a very nice call I made. But yeah, over here on this video over here, I was basically saying the thing that I did today here. I will be giving away 5 pieces of this book, and how you could be winning it is very easy, guys. You have to go to my recent post. So yeah, basically, if you want to be winning this crypto book here, like I show over here, you can go to my Instagram page right now here, and you have to be listening to that here as well. I do some very interesting story posts over here. I show as well some lifestyle stuff here, and just in general crypto stuff. So yeah, you can right now go to my Instagram page at CryptoRoverYT here. Hit that follow button over there. Just see the story, what I'm saying, and yeah, you could be winning that crypto book. So you could be as well learn to trade here, because yeah, trading is definitely worth to put your effort in towards it, but it takes a lot of dedication, guys. If you want to be saying to yourself, okay, I want to become a trader, I want this lifestyle, I want to have this lifestyle, you have to be putting your dedication to it. And right now I'm here in Dubai, I'm meeting a lot of new people here as well in crypto, and as well a lot of traders. And it's so funny because we're on the same page, because trading is pure dedication, and I'm learning quite a lot of things over there as well. If you're here as well in Dubai, and you want to be meeting up with me or whatsoever, make sure to just hit me up here on the Instagram, send me a DM. We could be for sure having a talk, we could be talking about some training stuff, etc. I would love to meet new people, and yeah, make sure to just follow me on the Instagram, and it's the easiest way as well to come in contact with me, because I usually try to react to a lot of you guys. I mean, yeah, I have quite a lot of DMs, so if I don't react to your DM, I'm truly sorry, because I don't read it every single day. Yeah, it takes a lot of time to react to all these things, right? So yeah, make sure to go to my Instagram page if you want to be finding out about these things here. But it's definitely worth to check out here. It's going to be extremely amazing here. So I just lost my job here. I have about 30K invested and made some nice gains here, but I know I can do some much more. I mean, wise Abe, that's a very wise saying. I mean, if you lost your job, you still have some investments, of course. Investing is very important for your future, in my opinion, of course, depending on your age. I mean, I was pretty young, so I took a big risk with investing in these stupid altcoins in the beginning. Right now, of course, I'm still very young. I'm almost 21 years old here, if you're wondering. But right now, of course, I have a little bit. I have way more capital than before. So right now, I'm having lower risk portfolio. So my portfolio is mainly, of course, Bitcoin, Ethereum. That really depends on how much risk you're going to take, and especially if you just lost your job, I should, of course, always have lower risk. And if as well, if you're trading, always trade with low risk. And yeah, low risk is very easy to say, but you have to be just looking at setups, and you have to be, of course, develop your skills to search and find these low risk setups here. And yeah, for all the people wondering, if you want to be trading here, there are several platforms that you could be trading on, but I should just highly suggest using BYBIT here. You as well can find the link in the description right now here. Highest link in the description. You could be signing up. And once again, going to say it, this is not advice for beginners. If you want to be learning more about trading, I should just highly suggest as well to subscribe to this channel right now here. You will be finding out more about how we are trading and how we're doing these things here. But yeah, make sure to sign up in the link description here right now here. So you're at least going to sign up your account as well. For all the people wondering, you could be as well spot trade here on BYBIT, so you don't necessarily have to be leverage trading on BYBIT. You could be as well spot trade. I'm accumulating a lot of XRP as well on this platform because yeah, it's very nice to hold it over here. I don't know why. You could be as well holding it different places, but I'm holding it over here on my my BYBIT account. So yeah, definitely if you're not exposed to XRP yet as well, I definitely think it's the right time to trade it. So I heard you only trade momentums shifts. Yeah, I do. Then you hold ADA. Is that the question, Remy? Of course. I my first ADA I bought was around 4 cents. Then I bought as well as 6 cents, and it was doing nothing. And I sold it at $3. My first take profit on Cardano. And yeah, right now I bought back on $2.30 here. So yeah, I'm holding quite a lot of Cardano. Cardano as well increased very quickly in my portfolio. And right now, especially since I got even more Cardano in terms of coins, it's even in a higher place. It's right in number 3 in my portfolio. So yeah, I'm holding quite a lot of Cardano, yeah. So how about Ripple? I mean, I'm a huge bull on Ripple, especially long term, man. Ethereum, please. Yeah, we have been going over Ethereum already. But guys, the frustrating part right now about this scenario that we're in here is that we have to be seeing the market cooling off ever so slightly. We have to wait ever so slightly. The market has to cool off. And as soon as the market is cooled off enough here, we could be looking for new trading opportunities. And I could be as well say to you guys where the market is most likely going to head towards. Because right now, yeah, we're still waiting. There's still a little bit calm before the storm. I do still think I'm waiting for a pattern to unfold right now on the chart to give me a direction where the market is going to go towards. But yeah, we just have to be remaining a little bit calm here. We have to remain a little bit calm here as well in Ethereum and Bitcoin. And it's just right now spot accumulate. Not leverage trade right now, just spot accumulate, stack up your positions, and the opportunities will come anytime soon here. So yeah, looking forward towards it, of course. Looking forward towards the opportunities right now in the market. So yeah. So let me see in the meantime. So yeah, guys, as well, I don't know for how long the stream will be continuing because I still have some things to do. I have to go and hit my lunch here. I will be wrapping up the stream right now, by the way, here, guys. At least it was an amazing stream once again here that we had all together. Guys, later today, I will be dropping out another video here on the channel, especially if we're seeing a new pattern unfold. I will be, of course, keeping you guys up to date here, first of all, on the YouTube channel, but as well here on Twitter page. On Twitter, you will be finding out about yeah, all the moves that we're seeing and all the things that we're seeing in the market in the first place. So if you want to be following us right now on Twitter, so you're not going to miss out on this next move that we're about to get creating here in the market, make sure to go right now in the pinned comment, first of all, in the live chat, or just in the link description. You can find Twitter, you can be finding my Instagram. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, because if you're interested in the market in general, you just want to hit that follow button on Twitter. If you're following me on Twitter, you're definitely going to not miss out on anything on the market. We're tweeting like crazy every single day here. Of course, if you can't handle that, don't follow me because I'm posting a lot of stuff on Twitter. So yeah, guys, make sure to check out the socials to stay up to date about the market. Make sure to ring the bell notification on this channel, because later today we will be uploading another video. I don't know exactly about what here. Maybe I will be dropping a special altcoin video about which coins I'm right now accumulating. Maybe we'll be dropping out the video on because Bitcoin is forming a reversal pattern or whatsoever, or about an update about my trade, or an update about the trade that I'm going to take here. So yeah, I don't know exactly what's going to happen because yeah, we don't know how the market is going to look like. So guys, thank you so much once again for watching to this amazing new stream here on the channel. Later today we will be back with a video, and tomorrow, of course, I will be trying to be back with another stream here. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in once again, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.